Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the AirLegant SureAire Air Purifier. This is going to be the model AP-L1-N201. You can currently get this on Amazon for about $130. This is going to be a HEPA 13 three-stage filter that will have multiple functions as far as a sleep mode, touchscreen, different fan speeds, silent mode, and all the kind of normal things for an air purifier. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take this out of the box, show you the general features of it, and I'll walk through kind of turning it on. Then over time what I'll do is I'll use this for the upcoming months or so, or until like the first filter runs through its course, and give you a feedback as far as a second review video. But as always, if you're interested in purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Alright, so this is the box. So it's SureAire AirLegant is the brand, home air purifier. It's a 3-in-1 true HEPA filter is what they describe it as. The model is going to be AP-L1-N201. You can currently get this on Amazon for $130. I previously reviewed the PureFiers and there was another one, it was Airove, which was a combined one with light features. This one's going to be very similar to the PureFiers one as far as the overall design and kind of functionality. However, it's going to be nearly half the price of that, so that's the advantage of this one. As far as the front here, it says it's a bladeless fan for pets, so it's not, you don't have to worry about that. Touch control, true HEPA 13 filter, auto on timer. Says that it filters 99.97% of kind of things. What's in the box is going to be the air purifier, a composite filter, power adapter, and user manual. They emphasize that it really clears like pollen dust, cigarettes, pet dander, other odors, and other particulates as small as 2 ppm. So that's that. On the back here, it lists like the general features. So it'll have a brightness control, timer, fan speed on the front, on-off button, air quality kind of sensor. It'll also have a display for the fan speed, so you can adjust that. Operation mode, data display. It'll have a child lock built in. And then it'll tell you the HEPA filter life, so when you need to replace it. And then on here they emphasize that it's a 3-filter design, so there's going to be a pre-filter, a HEPA 13 sterilization filter, then an activated charcoal layer, and so it allows for filtration from that standpoint. So now we'll take this out of the box, show you what it looks like. So here's everything that comes in the box. So you've got the air filter itself, a power adapter, and then the manual. The manual should be pretty straightforward. Kind of lists the instructions for product installation, and then the filter installation, and then the settings for the actual screen. But beyond that, that's kind of the gist there. Okay, as far as first impressions, it says SureAire on the front here, has 360-degree intake on the bottom here for the filter aspect, which is nice. There's small grooves here, so if you have pets or any small debris, it'll capture that. I've actually noticed in my old apartment on the PureAire one, just like I had a lot of like dust from lint, and it would capture on the outside, so I could vacuum directly through there. And then for the filter, and then on the top there is the touch screen. We'll go over that in a second. But the filter itself, there's going to be a screw valve mechanism on the bottom here. And so that's what the filter looks like. And then the filter, I believe, should attach directly on here. But as far as installation, this filter, it already comes in pre-packaged. This is what it looks like. So there's an outside screen, the HEPA filter, and on the inside is the activated charcoal filter. So it's very compact design. And then basically on the inside here, they've got a light setting there. And you just insert this directly in, and then snap it shut, and that's basically all set up. And so the filter right out of the box is all set, and so now I'll show you the touch screen at the top. The other thing really cool on this is that they actually have a light, like a blue light across the top here, which is really nice. It's acting as a night light, or just kind of a like accent light within the space that you have this. And I do like the overall design as far as the white look. I definitely think this is a cleaner, more streamlined appearance as compared to the PureAire. The PureAire was all black, but this one I feel like if you left it out like especially with all the white different appliances I have, I wouldn't mind having this out because it's very pleasant to the eye to look at. That's what the top of this filter looks like. I'll say that this is really, really cool. The fact that it's touchscreen and digital is really nice. It's definitely a step up compared to other filters that I've seen or dealt with, because it's not as like cheap. It looks like very aesthetically pleasing, streamlined, and it's just generally very pleasant to the eye. As far as the main features here, we'll go through them one by one, but there's going to be a display here for the particulate density as far as how much it is. It also lists the fan speed there. On the top here is going to be the filter density, so it'll have like how much it's still filtering out, and that also tells you the life of the filter, so it'll give an indicator light for when it's no longer filtering to what you need. On the left here, there's going to be a shield, which I don't know what that is. It doesn't list it. So the child lock's over here on the right, so when you press the child lock and hold it, it'll beep, and then that'll release all the settings so that you can work with the settings again. And so that's that. And then as far as the lighting, so a couple settings here. So right here next to it is a lighting switch, so it gives you how bright it is. So you can have it completely dark like this. You can have it bright with the display on, or there's like a medium setting where it's like hard to see. For the video purposes, I'll leave it on the brightest setting so you can see it, but if you're at night, you can turn this off entirely and you virtually can't see it. There's like a subtle hint, but it's very subtle. And then the middle one, it's subtle, but you can see it, but it's not great. So that's that. As far as here on the left side here, there's a touch for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, or a continuous setting as far as how long you leave it on. So if you want to leave it on for a certain period of time, you can do that. Then there's a shield button here, but I don't know what that necessarily is. I'm not entirely sure, and the manual doesn't really say, so I'm not sure there. There's a power on-off switch there, so when you hit the power switch off, it'll shut off entirely. It has a delayed, but it's got this little accent that shows it kind of triggering on, and then it'll immediately trigger on. And then on the right side here, there's a fan setting, so there's 2, 3, and 1. So 3 separate settings as far as the intensity, and if you listen, this is the lowest setting, so it's very quiet. The second setting is a little bit louder, and then the third setting is a little bit louder than that. This is definitely quieter than the PureAire one, I would say. The other thing is you can feel that around 360 degrees there's fan outlet. One thing I do notice that with air purifiers, when they're at the higher setting, it does act like a fan, so if it's a colder environment, it will blow air, so you might notice that with it. And then on the right here, this is the operation mode, and so that's this M button here, so there's going to be automatic, where it'll basically adjust to the fan speed to whatever like particulate matter you have. There's going to be a F mode, or like a normal mode, which will be your customizable mode. And then there's going to be a C mode, which is a sleep mode, which will set the slowest or lowest fan speed, and then the screen display will turn off. And so that's what you're seeing here. So this is the automatic setting. It's just basically functioning whatever it thinks it needs. This is going to be the manual mode, where it sets to whatever you need. And then the sleep mode basically turns off the display, sets it at the lowest level. So if you want lower light as well as lower intensity or fan noise, you can do that. But what I found personally is I use a noise machine at night, so I actually like the higher settings because it acts like similar to a noise machine on top of my normal one. But that's really all I have for this. Overall, I am highly impressed with this. This is at $129, it's about half the price of the PureAire. and it has the same functionality as far as the touch screen, the different modes and everything like that. Compared to the PureAire, it does have better outlets as far as the 360 degrees, as well as the 360 degree outlet on the top. The filter design seems very similar or comparable, and then this is definitely a step up as far as the touchscreen features and their overall design. The fact that it has different light intensities, it's like a flat surface, and the product is much more aesthetically pleasing. So compared to these two, I'd probably say that I'd lean more towards this just based on the fact that it's cheaper and more affordable and more aesthetically pleasing. Additionally, the touchscreen is much more elegant from that standpoint.